The other thing too is a lot of Starlink users use Starlink when they're moving around and they're basically, like in transit. So if you are going through and plugging it into like some sort of generator or anything like that, you will want to make sure that it's fully plugged in to a power source that can handle this type of power. If you're plugging it into like a little power bank, that might not be enough power to generate this. So go through and make sure you're fully able to plug it in and power it on that way. That's another very big thing. The other thing too is that make sure that within the actual router, this particular part, I don't even know what it's called, you want to make sure that this port right here is also fully plugged in, because sometimes that might not be plugged in at all, and that can be another really big thing to keep in mind here too. So when you are kind of going through and kind of plugging this in or whatever, make sure that it's fully plugged in. That can be another very easy way to kind of fix this. Now, another problem that some users basically have is that they actually have their Starlink fully powered on, everything seems to be working. For some reason, the internet is just not working when they're actually going through and turning on their Starlink. Now, the one thing I'd recommend doing again is just looking through all your wiring, making sure all the wiring is perfectly working, that there's no issues within the Starlink wire or anything like that. That can be another very big thing. But another thing too that ends up happening here is that you might not have Starlink, actually set up properly. So in this case, you would probably have to make your way back over into your, iPhone, Android, whatever you basically have. And you want to go through into your Starlink application like this, and you want to make sure Starlink is perfectly set up and it's working here. So make sure you've actually set up Starlink within your application of your Android or your iPhone, whatever you have. So go through here and make sure everything is set up here and make sure you've set it up properly here. And that'd be another big thing because this application will also kind of give you some suggestions on how to set things up. So that would be another very, very important thing to do. So that is basically how you use your Starlink and essentially the best practices of when you're setting up your Starlink for the most part. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.